How to delete drafts in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Messenger application is updated to its latest version on your device. So let's go to the Play Store and search for Messenger. Now as you can see, there's update available for this application on my device. So I just have to update this application and get the latest version on my device. And after updating, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the Messenger application and go to any chat. So here what you have to do is just to create a draft. You can just click anything or you can just type in anything and go back. So here you can see this option of blue line over here named as draft. Now to delete this draft, what I have to do is just go to the chat and then cancel it back, or you can just select the chat and tap on delete and it will be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.